Hello, traders and investors. This is a technical analysis video for Radiant blockchain, ticker RXD. Radiant blockchain is in an interesting position because you could describe RXD's price action as an inverse head and shoulders, with this here being the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. The question is it going to succeed or fail? I think it has a fair chance of succeeding because the point of control for our RXD, meaning this is the point in which there were the most buyers and sellers, okay? The highest volume node is right at where RXD is at currently, okay? So it does have some chance of success. And the only issue is that at 0022 or 0023, you have also a high volume node, which could be resistance, and the second high volume node is close to the breakout level at 003. So it is a possible trade, but it is a high risk trade because if you enter at the current price, then the stop loss should be at the head or even below the head. And uh, assuming that the breakout is successful, your risk to reward ratio is 1 to 4, which is not bad. But if you are following me for some times, you know that I always calculate the risk to reward to the first take profit, and the first take profit is at 0.032, with, and then your risk to reward ratio becomes much worse, 1 to 1.5. It's not the best of it's not the best risk to reward ratio. Overall, if this is successful, we are talking from the current level until the completion, we are talking about a one almost 190% upside, but it's a risky trade. Overall, RXD, the main challenge RXD faces is getting above the 0.03327 resistance. And if I was to trade RXD, this is the level from which I would go for a trade, for a long position with an upside of 65 or 66%. Okay, it's not 180, but it's a much better risk to reward because in this situation, what I would do is I would wait for a retest above, let's say if price gets above 0.00327 and you get a retest, then you can take it all the way to 0.005.5. Okay, overall, yes, RXD's price action is not the best, but we should be fair to say that almost all the micro cap projects right now are performing very poorly. So it shouldn't be held against this project. I think that this project also has a chance to succeed in the bull market. And if you have high conviction about this project and you want to get in as an investor, then maybe this level is not a bad place to buy. That's all I have for you on Radiant blockchain. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.